Video we will learn how people can make a ping pong game in Scratch. Okay, for that we need to go to the Scratch platform. I will click here because I have already added that on my home screen. Okay, so we need to click on this create guy. As we will click on create, something like this will open up. This interface. Okay, it's taking some time to load. Okay, so we are having this guy over here. So what we want to make, basically we want to make a ping pong game. Basically in ping pong game, what will be there will be a ball which we will be hitting with the help of paddle, and we will be counting that value and different kind of things. We will be discussing that. So we have understood like we don't need this guy, so we will just delete it just like that. And after that we'll choose a sprite like ball. Okay, we are having this ball now. Okay, at the same time we want a paddle kind of thing. So what we'll do, we'll go and search for a paddle like that. We have a green paddle just over here. Okay, so before moving ahead, I have to tell you something. Like when we want to work with this paddle guy, what we have to do first, we have to position this thing. Okay, wherever you want to position this guy, just place it right there. And at the same time, like everyone knows, like if you want to move this guy vertically, that means we are dealing with Y, and if you want to move this guy in a horizontal axis, that means we are dealing with X. Okay, now we want that this guy should be having its fixed Y, but it should be moving at the same time. It should be moving as per our mouse movement, right? Whenever the X, like mouse is moving in X direction, this paddle should also be moving. Okay, so for doing that particular thing, what we'll do, we will go to the events tab and just drag a block which is saying when flag clicked. I will zoom in a little bit. Okay, just like that. And then after that, we need to fix this guy's Y position. So we'll go to the motion tab and we will set its Y value just like that. At the same time, we want that this guy should be changing its value in the X, right? So what we'll do, we want to set this X value, but we want that this guy should be moving as we move our mouse. So we need to go to the sensing block. Why is that? Because this paddle guy is sensing our mouse. Okay, so we want to drag this mouse X value here just like that. And if we want that this whole operation should be working throughout the game, so what we'll do, we'll go to the control block section and drag a forever loop just like that. Okay, so we are done. If we want to check that, you will see this is moving as we are moving our mouse. Clear? Now the next task. The next task is like we need to write the script for the ball now. Okay, the first thing which we want, like if we want to make this guy move, so first thing first, we have to start it from somewhere. So if we start it from here, what will happen if this guy will hit the ground and everything will be vanished. Okay, like game will be over. So we should be starting that guy from somewhere around this. Okay, so the first thing we'll do, we'll go to the events tab, just drag this one block here, just like that. And then the next task is to fix this guy's value, like whatever it is, it should be there. So what we'll do, go to the motion tab and just drag this XY value, whatever location is this, it is being reflected over here. Okay, so we have this XY value. At the same time, we want to make this guy like it should be moving into a random direction, not in a fixed direction. So what we'll do, we want that this guy should be pointing in a random direction. So we will do what, just go to the motion tab and drag something like this which is saying point in a direction 90 degree. But we don't want to use this 90 degree, we want to use a particular random value. So we will go to the operation tab and just pick a random value like this. Okay, what do you mean by random value? Like when it comes to angle, like directions have starting angle from 0 to 360, so we will be putting that value here, 0 to 360, right? 360 like that. Done. Okay, so what will happen now, this guy is being able to move here and there. Okay, like it will be pointing in a particular direction, but this guy cannot move right now. Okay, so if we want to make this guy move, so what we'll do, go to the motion tab,